Hey guys, this is summary day for this is like a summary replacement day for October 23, 22, and I want to make a one video which I see a very big problem with all of us, like, and that I have a very good skill on, is that how to just let it go, and what are the concepts behind, like how I'm able to do, like for example, if you see the set, if you do the set and he doesn't want to talk to you, then what happens a lot of times, the guy just stays stuck on it, and that guy just repeats their story, and exactly that it doesn't matter that it was rejection or what, but they're not able to let go of other person or other thing that happened to in like past time, but they're not able to let go of that thing, and that just causes them in the future. I mean, you can just say like I have moved on, but if you have not removed them from your memory, then it's gonna stay with you. It's gonna fuck up your day and die. And there are lots of concepts behind, and there are lots of experience behind it. And yesterday I didn't went out because I was very like my voice was down, my throat was down. I was not able to speak the way I am able to speak right now. This is the next day morning. I just came to India. I'm going to my home right now. And like first of all, the thing is that you should have experience on that thing. And once you have lots of experience, then you just realize that it's just all bullshit. But after having like experience on that thing, like there is a very good concept, and it's not a concept; it's an integrated concept in me. Is that idea of pain, idea of like conscious non-resisting, and I got it from that like from Tyler, and Tyler got it from like Eckhart Tolle. And what he says is that in human form, we have to go through different concepts and challenges and pain, and we have to be present to them, and we have to like kind of accept them and stay fully present while they are there. What it does is that when you just do that, what it does is that it just builds you for. You just say that, like you just engage to things. Like for example, opening a site or stuff like that, but you just stay engaged, but you are detached, kind of like you are your intent is there, but you have freedom from the outcome, like you don't care about it, and that's what conscious and non-resistant. Like life's gonna throw a lot of pain on you, it's gonna throw a lot of bullshit and like stuff and something like that, but if you just stay to that ship, and if you just try to ascend, then this pain will find you. It's maybe in you, it's maybe your past trauma, it's maybe something else, it's maybe like people judging you, you're feeling like that. Or maybe just person is gone and you're not able to, you're feeling that connection, but other person is not able to feel that. And then you are like just so painful. And I get it, like so much pain, but like part of that thing is that if you just allow to that person to just leave you, and if you just allow them to just let go from your memory bank, then it's gonna not eat your soul the way it used to be, and it's not gonna have the same power. But it's a very conscious decision that you have to make at that time when it does happen. And it's just kind of concept, but it just very, it comes from experience also. But I'm just giving you general idea. Like if you look at the idea and if you are just applying, if you just apply it, like it's kind of abstract. I get it. There's no like key things to do or something like that, but I have very good in that, and you can see the person with a very bad anger management, like they have this issue that they are not able to detach themselves from that email, like they're not able to let go of that thing, whatever is making them anger, and that's very huge. I see this with everyone. I see this with lots of your guys and stuff. Lots of people are not able to engage, and if they're able to engage, like they get a certain maturity. There are few people they're able to do like very well than mine. I also get stuck on it because everyone loves the outcome, and if you have like they are conditioned from childhood that if I have worked for something from my childhood, then if it's not working, then it's like very bad. I just feel very attack or something like that. But majority time I just try to like, it's just me, like I just have this quote, it's like, no, I'm more than this body, I'm a soul. And when you just believe that, it's not like it's very abstract, when you just fucking believe that, what it happens is it removes all the pain, it removes all the downside from your journey of life, and it just gives you the upside only. Because you fucking stay engaged, you're not attached to the outcome of whatever. It's so beautiful out there. And I'm gonna end this video now. I'm gonna have more videos on engagement. Like, I'm not engaged that much. Like, I'm 50% engaged. I'm not engaged that much well. Actually, I do, but I'm not satisfied with my thing. So I'm just gonna do more. My releasing side is quite good, but I'm just gonna increase that also in the future. But I'm gonna focus on engagement. I hope you like this video. I'm just gonna jump on in the security check, and I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye. When I see you today, yeah, bye.